Hi, I'm Padmavati and I'm from Computer Science Department, and I'm here to say my register number is UR15CS363 and I'm here to demonstrate the program arrays. Starting with the header file include IOStream using namespace standard class matrix. The thing will be start like int ijab, first, second, sum, subtract and multiply. So we are using void addition, void subtraction, void multiplication, void get data and void print data. So using void get data, you will get int abij, then enter the number of rows and columns in the matrix, and a and b enter the elements of first matrix. Then we are using for loop here. For I is equal to 0, I is less than or a, I plus plus, and for j is equal to 0, j is less than b, j plus plus, C in first ij. So C out, enter the elements of the second matrix. The same thing will be followed here. Then C in second ij. So void addition, the same thing will be given as first, second, and sum. For I is equal to 0, I is less than or a, I plus plus, and j is equal to 0, j is less than or b, and j plus plus. And using sum ij is equal to first ij plus second ij. So some subtraction will be the same thing, first ij minus second ij. And for the void multiplication, it will be void multiply ij will be equal to first ij into second ij. So for void print data will be for I is equal to 0, I is less than or a, I plus plus, and for j is equal to 0, j is less than or b, j plus plus. Then see out sum ij backslash t, and see out subtraction of the entered matrix. I is equal to 0, I is less than or a, I plus plus, and the same for loop is used here as j is equal to 0, j is less than b, and j plus plus. Multiplication entered matrices, and if you use the main function as int subtract, addition, subtraction, multiplication, get data and print data, and return 0 and close the program. If you give build and run, you get the output as enter the number of column and rows and columns, give it as 2 and 3, enter the elements of first matrix 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, enter the element of second matrix 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, and the output will be like sum of the entered matrices is this, and subtraction of the entered matrices, and multiplication of the entered matrices, and the result will be verified for this program. And if you go for string program, starting with the header file include IOStream, we are using the string constant here. So include string.h using namespace standard, void reverse it, and if you reverse the program, it will be char a int l. So int I and k is equal to 1 for char temp. For I is equal to 0, we use for loop here. So I is less than or equal to 1 by 2, I plus plus, the value of I will be incremented, and temp is equal to a of I is equal to a of k minus 1, and a of k minus 1 is equal to temp k minus minus, and it will be decremented. And if you use the int main function char c is equal to 100 and char int l, so see out enter the string c in get line c 100, and see out string is c and l, its size will be printed, and again the value will be reversed, and the reverse string is typed, and return 0 and the program is closed. And if you give build and run, the output is verified. Enter the string, if you give it as 3, string is 3, its size is 1, and the reverse string is 3.